Hi, and welcome to our new tutorial. Today we will be having a look at how you can deploy Notepad++ with the help of Microsoft Intune. We will show you step by step how you download, create an Intune Win file, and deploy with Microsoft Intune. If you want to read about the deployment, you can also check the blog post. There you will find more information, and you can copy, for example, commands directly from that website. You also find the latest blog post from us with helpful information. The website is in the description. But now, let's start with deploying Notepad++ with Microsoft Intune. We will first download Notepad++ from the official website. We then pack it into an Intune Win32 file. Last, we will upload and deploy it with Microsoft Intune. Let's get started. Open a browser and navigate to the Notepad++ homepage. Click on the latest Notepad++ version. If you want to deploy an older version, that's also no problem. Now click on Download for the Notepad++ installation file. The executable will now be downloaded. In your Downloads folder, you should now have a new file. We will need this file later. Now, we will create two new folders on the C drive. That will help us creating the Intune Win32 file. So navigate to the C drive. Create a new folder named Deploy Notepad++, like shown in the video. Create a second new folder named Output. Now copy the Notepad++ executable to the Deploy Notepad++ folder. Perfect, that's all for now. You have two new folders with the executable in the Deploy Notepad++ folder. We will need now to download the Intune Win App Tool from GitHub. So open a browser and search for Intune Win App Tool. Click on the first GitHub link. You might need to scroll down a bit. On here, click on the Intune Win App Tool executable. Click on the Downloads icon. The tool has been downloaded. Just open it when it is finished. On here, we will need to specify the parameters for the application. Just follow the steps. If you want to copy the command, visit the blog post. For source folder, define the Deploy Notepad++ folder. For the setup file, copy the name of the executable and paste it into the command. Make sure that the file has its file extensions in it. If not, just add it as shown. For the output folder, define the created output folder on C drive. Last, enter No. The application will now be created. This can take some time. When it is finished, you'll have a new Intune Win app file in your output folder. We will now upload this file to Microsoft Intune and deploy it. So open a browser and navigate to the Microsoft Intune portal and log in with your administrator. In the Intune portal, click on Apps on the left side. Click on Windows. Click on Create. For app type, choose Win32 and click on Select. On the App Informations tab, upload the Intune Win file from the output folder on your C drive.
Click on OK.
On here, you can now modify the application information. This is for everyone's needs different. You can really enter a lot of information in here. I will leave it quite empty. When you're finished, click on Next. The install and uninstall command enter the information shown in the video. For install command, you can just copy the file name from the Deploy Notepad++ folder. Also make sure that the file extension is there. Then just add a/s on the end. For the uninstall, just copy the command from the video. If you want to copy it, just visit our blog post in the description. On the requirements, add for operating system architecture 64 and 32-bit and minimum operating system, the oldest one. Click on Next. On the detection rule, enter for rule format, manually configure detection rules. Click on Add. Select for rule type file. Enter the path as shown in the video. You can also copy it from our blog post. For file or folder, enter the executable. For detection method, select file or folder exist. Click on OK and click on Next. Define your dependencies if applicable and click on Next. Define your supersedence if applicable and click on Next. On the Assignments tab, assign the policy to a group or to all user or all devices. Click on Next. On the Review tab, click on Create. Congratulations! You have successfully deployed Notepad++ with Microsoft Intune. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you need more information, have a look at the blog post. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.
See you soon.